NASA is returning to the moon after over 50 years, but this time it's not just a mission, it's a game changer for humanity. But why now? What is NASA hiding? Stay tuned to discover the shocking truth behind this moon mission, what it means for our future, and why it's more important than you think. In 1969, humanity made history by landing on the moon, but after Apollo 17, we left the moon behind. For over half a century, the lunar surface has been out of reach. So why is NASA suddenly returning in 2025? The reasons are more urgent and far more strategic than you might think. Let's break down why NASA's return to the moon is the key to our future in space. The Apollo missions made us believe anything was possible, but after 6 successful landings, we left the moon. Why? Was it the cost, the technology, or did we lose sight of the moon's importance? In truth, the Cold War was over and space was no longer a race. We turned our attention to other frontiers, Mars, asteroids, and beyond. Now here's why we are going back. The moon is a treasure trove. Imagine this, water ice on the moon could fuel rockets for missions to Mars, create oxygen, and provide drinking water. Plus the moon's rich minerals could fuel entire future industries. This isn't just about landing on the moon again, this is about stepping up, a stepping stone for humanity's journey to Mars and beyond. If we don't act now, someone else will. The race for lunar dominance is just beginning. NASA is not just going back, it's going bigger, bolder, and more advanced. Meet Artemis, NASA's plan for the permanent return to the moon. This isn't just a mission, it's the beginning of humanity's permanent presence in space. With the Space Launch System and the Orion spacecraft, NASA is ready to land astronauts on the moon in 2025, including the first woman and the next man. But here's the shocking part, this mission is not just about landing, it's about creating infrastructure on the lunar surface. A lunar base, power stations, and manufacturing facilities are all in the works. The Lunar Gateway will be our launching pad for deep space exploration. The space station orbiting the moon will act as a refueling hub, research station, and living quarters for astronauts heading to Mars. Think about it, the moon is now the first step in the greater journey, and the Lunar Gateway is going to change the way we think about the space travel forever. Now the clock is ticking. China and the private companies like SpaceX are aggressively moving to claim lunar territory. The moon isn't just a symbol of exploration anymore, it's a resource-rich frontier. NASA's return isn't just about exploration, it's about exploring the resources we'll need to survive as a species beyond Earth. Now the world is watching. Whoever controls the moon controls the future. NASA's return to the moon in 2025 is far more than just a nostalgic mission. It's the first step in a future where humanity expands beyond Earth, towards Mars, and ultimately the stars. We can't afford to sit on the sidelines. Now the moon is the key to our future, and this mission will change the course of history. Stay tuned because the greatest adventure of our time is about to begin. And finally, hit subscribe and turn on notification to stay updated on the latest space missions, discoveries, and breakthroughs. The future of space exploration is unfolding now. Don't miss a moment, and I'll meet you in the next video.